For years, I struggled with bad breath and sensitive gums. No matter what I tried, nothing made a difference. Until I discovered ProDentim. ProDentim is not your average dental product. It's a revolutionary chewable tablet designed to restore balance to your mouth's microbiome. Packed with 3.5 billion probiotics and natural nutrients, it targets the root cause of oral health issues. Using ProDentim is easy. After brushing your teeth in the morning, simply chew one tablet. It's quick, convenient, and starts working immediately. What makes ProDentim so effective? It's all in the ingredients. Lactobacillus Paracasei supports gum health and clears sinuses. B.lactis BL-04 balances bacteria while boosting immunity. Inulin feeds beneficial bacteria, ensuring they thrive. Malic acid naturally whitens teeth, and peppermint keeps your breath fresh all day. After just a few weeks, I started noticing real changes. My gums were stronger, my teeth were whiter, and my breath stayed fresh all day long. Thousands of people have had the same experience. Emily from California says, ProDentim has completely transformed my oral health. My gums feel amazing, my teeth are brighter, and my breath is fresh all day. If you're ready to take control of your oral health, click the link in the description below and try ProDentim today. Don't wait. Your journey to a healthier, brighter smile starts now.